Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing Google Play Opinion Rewards and signing in with the Google account you want to earn credit on. Once done, make sure to enable notifications and location so you receive timely surveys. You should allow survey emails and keep Play Store updates automatic. This helps the app recognize purchases and activities. If you have multiple accounts, pick one here, otherwise rewards could split. Now, open the app and tap through the brief onboarding prompts to reach the main survey list. You'll see surveys listed with estimated completion times. Tap 1 to start. Read each question fully and answer honestly, because inconsistent replies can reduce future survey frequency. When a question asks for a rating or multiple choice, select the best option and proceed to open text only if necessary. Keep the app open until submission. Partial answers won't credit. Also, use the app occasionally. Consistent activity signals you as an eligible respondent and increases your chances of getting higher value surveys. When a survey pays, the amount shows as Google Play credit automatically. You can use it at checkout for apps, movies, or books. If a completed survey doesn't credit, wait 24 to 48 hours because processing can delay. Then report it through the app's help section with the survey date. If notifications stop, check location and notification permissions, and sign out and back in to refresh the account. These steps solve most problems quickly. Otherwise, contact Google Play support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.